Hello everyone, our team project is AgentCareer Island. Every July, graduate needs enter to the workplace, and then the study shows that 90% of them is struggle with the adaptation when into the workplace. And our concept of design is we found that the lack of the workplace skill and adaptability and our career planning together create a mismatch between what graduates have learned in school and what jobs market needs. So what have we done? We designed a product of workplace learning environment based on the AI agent. Okay, and how did we do better? We use auto decision making function of AI agents by integrating various of agents, and we have create a highly interactive and personalized workplace experience platform for them. Okay. Our design allow users to experience a week in a workplace in an all-round way in the simulate environment, and you will encounter various of challenge, so you can interact with the AI agent with the others NPC to solve these of the problems. And we use big data to train AI and generate hundreds of storylines so user to experience, and we use AI agent to customize and adjust their personalized storylines. Of course, we train the NPC models with different personalities trails to interact better with the user. And finally, the AI will generate a behavior analysis report to provide the users with the advice. And I will show you a demo of it.
I want to experience an internship as a designer, so I introduced myself to agent and present my needs. I want to work on a small scale project for 3 days. So I got the job cutter made for me. So exciting. Looks like I got my first assignment. Oh, my mentor is urging me to hand in documents. I've already done. It's just a time for complete.
You haven't started yet. How do you are?
Okay, I will do it right now. I have to hand it to her right now.
Juan, could you please take my car to pick up the client we met last time at the convention center?
Oh my God, now? So suddenly, what should I do? Maybe my different approaches will lead to different outcomes. A new assignment.
What about to-do list? Didn't you say you wrote a meeting record? Is that what you meant?
It seems he's so angry. Sorry, sir.
It doesn't mean...
Boss didn't ask for this part.
It doesn't mean that you no need to. This is the PDF by Juan. Take a copy.
Okay, this looks like the PDF is useful. I can refer it to find out what I'm missing. Noted. Thank you, sir. Okay, the new assignment arrived.
Jiao, you need to guide the freshmen in.
Sure, dude.
This task seems to be about of team communication. Due to time constraints, let's go across the remaining works.
Make sure to locate the
To the end, after my experience, AI generates some advice so that I can improve upon.
So in the future, our project can provide internship
Sorry
to
to
make
disturb you. Our time.
a win-win cooperation. Thank you.